the GX390 cleaned up. Still got a lot to go, but just gonna get in a lot of these crevices, and then that's it. I'm spraying this block. This is for the Coleman. Slowly but surely, keep on pushing. Get it done. This thing was covered in mud. She getting there. I already cleaned the block on that one. This one was looking crazy too. As you can see, I'm not painting the block on this one. At least I don't think I am. If I do, I'm going with aluminum color. I'm going gunmetal on this for the GX390 for the Coleman. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm out. A little distracted right now. Every day, rain, rain, rain.